Hi students. First of all, I introduce myself, especially for the newcomers. I am Benny Kocheri, belongs to Department of BA Triple Mine, Devamana College, Kuruvelangat. Today, we plan to deal with two major aspects of journalism. The first one, the classification of reporters. Second one, different type of journalism, or in other words, the classification of reporters, different type of reporters, and the specialization in the field of journalism. First, let us consider the different type of reporters. It is very common, most of the people consider the entire people, those who belongs to the field of journalism, are journalists. But by a simple observation, it is very easy to divide the people of journalism to main categories. They are journalist and non-journalist. Journalists are the people those who are dealing directly with the news. Some of the people collect the news, they are reporters. Some other people, they are also dealing with the news, they are editors. The copy editors, in India, we call them as sub-editors. And then the remaining departments, for example, advertisement, circulation, production, dispatch, distribution, marketing, human resource, and the like, can be classified into non-journalist. We consider only the journalist. That means the reporters and the editors. Editors classification is basically we have to deal with the editorial functions. Now we plan to discuss about the classification of reporters. That means those are reporting news or reporting events. From the basic level, some reporters are there. Those are reporting from the local places. In geographical area, a local area will be assigned to them. They are known as local reporters. Some other times are also there to indicate this group of people: part-timer, part-time correspondent, local reporter, local correspondent. In journalism, we term them as stringers or liners. In Malayalam, they are known by a Pradeshika Lekakar. They are not the regular staff of the media organization. The enumeration package, as per the policy of the media management, they can earn. Some of the organizations provide a nominal amount to them, and some of them provide a writing fee. Some other newspaper organizations provide honorarium or a salary package also, some of them provides. Depend upon how much quantity they report, their enumeration package also will be taken or decided by the management of the media organization. Different criteria are possible there. They are not the regular staff. Usually, they will not have a particular salary package. Some of the organizations, even in Malayalam, provide opportunity to write test for the higher places. That means to serve the organization as staff reporters and the like. The second category we can classify as the staffers or staff reporters. They are the regular staff of the organization. They are getting as per the wage code instructions. Most probably, they will be serving the organization most of the times at least at a district headquarters. But we cannot make a decision. All the people, those who are working at the district headquarters, belongs to staff reporters. It is also possible to be a staff reporter will be appointed to a local place, and ordinary place also it will be possible there. As per the geographical specifications, Even in Kerala, some of the district headquarters does not have staff reporters, and they are provided some other area which have some more significance. And the stringers you have seen in the beginning, the stringers or lineage, those are appointed at the Taluk headquarters are known as Mofusil. They are also not the regular staff. Then, among the staff reporters, some of them will get the opportunity to specialize in some particular field. For example, well-versed persons in the field of politics, sports, arts, education, business, in law and the like. They are known as special correspondents. The senior reporters will get the opportunity to serve the organization as the senior reporters or special correspondents. Among the special correspondents, some of them will get the opportunity to serve the organization from abroad. They are known as foreign reporters or foreign correspondents. Whenever we get an opportunity to serve the organization from abroad, it is essential to obey the rules and regulations of the mother country at the same time from where we are providing the service. These are the basic classifications: the stringer, part-timer, part-time correspondent, a local reporter, or line. Then according to geographical area, the Mofusil. Then staffers or staff reporters, then special correspondents, then foreign correspondents. Whenever we take a foreign correspondent, a creaming process will take place there. This is why the foreign correspondents are also known as cream of the cream. From reporters we are sorting the special correspondents. From special correspondents another sorting process will take place. They are foreign correspondents. In addition to these categories, we can identify two group of people serving the media organization. They are freelancers or columnists. Freelancers are the people, as the term indicates, they have the freedom to serve any of the organization depend upon their interest. The same article they can issue to different organizations at the same time. If an article is getting to be published, then automatically they will get their remuneration. Then it is not essential to have a byline with the story. The columnist, next category. Columnists are the people those are preparing columns. Column means an article which appears in a media within a particular interval of time. Article which repeats within a particular interval of time. For example, every Monday, every Friday, every Sunday and the like. Columnists are the people those are preparing these columns. And then all the columns should possess the byline. It is definitely there should be the byline. Byline already we discussed the name of the reporter given along with the article or the news site. It is must. And the column matter also will be unedited matter will be published there because it reflects attitude of the columnist. Usually we provide the opportunity to prepare the column for the celebrities. In connection with the lead, we have seen I lead, the first person. This kind of operations will be taken place by the columnist. This is about the classification of the reporters. And it is also possible to classify depending upon the nature of the job which they conduct. For example, a reporter, those who report from the court reporter or the legal reporter, those who are well-versed or well experienced in the field of agriculture reporting, the farm reporter or agriculture reporter. Then the beat reporting, these are the specific places allotted for the reporters. For example, the police stations, collectorate, municipalities, LSTD offices, hospitals and the like. It will maintain personal relationship with the beat. Beat reporting is also a type of reporting that you have to identify just with especially in connection with the news sources or news gathering methods, this beat report can be identified. Then this is about the different type of reporters. Then the different type of journalism or specialization in the field of journalism. Lot of specializations are possible there. That much opportunity provide the journalism. It's a profession, and the same explains why we have this much opportunities. The first one is interpretative journalism, a common form we use. Just interpreting the information, the data or the information which we collect or which we earn through a particular process, we have to interpret for our readers. According to the educational background and cultural background, we prefer the language which we have to use for the interpretation process. Next one, in-depth journalism. When we approach interpretative journalism and in-depth journalism, it is not easy to identify some difference between these two specializations. But by keen observation, a person can identify some differences between these two specializations. In interpretative journalism, the reporter interprets. In in-depth journalism, along with interpreting the information, the reporter also reveals the reasons behind that particular incident, or simply digging out the information for the readers. Why? The reason behind that occurrence also will be specifies along with interpretation process. Another type is investigative journalism. Investigative journalism is familiar to us. Here we adopt a particular style of reporting. It is entirely different from the routine style which it follows for the reporting process. This is why it needs the management support. Some crucial situations sometimes we may have to face, especially in investigative journalism. A reporter concentrates on the maladministration and malpractices which take place among the higher level of people or higher positions. Ashwin Sarin's the flush trade in and around Mumbai and the Tihar Jail administration are considered as the ever-shining investigative reports in India. Then, next one, opinion journalism. Opinion journalism, basically there we concentrate the opinion of the common people. We highlight, we encourage the opinion of the people. Then entertainment journalism. Entertainment journalism, for example, the award night and the like. The people are interested to get an opportunity for entertainment. This is why we have lot of different channels from the same roof. Conglomeration is a term we identified. The same channel provides different services. One promote the news and news-based programs. Another one promote the entertainment or movie. Even we have in Malayalam, we have special channels which have only movie, entertainment, infotainment, edutainment. Different times there we can identify. Then civic journalism. We have civic journalism. Especially there we concentrate. Civics is a simple term associated with the common people. Here we concentrate or provide opportunity to promote the attitude of the common people. Democracy journalism or participatory journalism or simply citizen journalism. In citizen journalism, the citizen get the opportunity to share with the society as a journalist, even though he or she is not a professional journalist. Participation given to the common people. Lot of channels and print media provide this kind of opportunity for the common people. Democracy journalism, the same explains. Then culture journalism, which promote the culture of the people. Then crime journalism, which provides the opportunity to reveal or to take some of the persons before the law. It may be associated with investigative journalism. Then another type is known as watchdog journalism. Media basically termed as the watchdog of democracy. The journalist, the pillars all of us know in connection with journalism. Journalism or mass media can be termed as the fourth estate. Now we are having the fifth estate with the social media. The watchdog journalism, a specialization is there, protecting the attitude. Then broadcast journalism, the basic classifications we have already specified. The print and electronic media. Electronic media again can be classified as the radio and TV. That means the audio and visual media. The journalism which associate with the broadcasting media can be termed as broadcast journalism. Then business journalism, it is a booming specialization in the field of journalism. Now we are having special publications which promote the business related content. Every day all the newspapers, all the regional language newspapers too provide importance to the business news. At least half of the page they reserve for the business news, and sometimes even business news take place or reaches even the front page of the newspaper. And business publications, special publications we are having, for example, is Business Deepika, Dhanam. We have one Business Daily, Economic Times. This explains the importance of business journalism. Then science journalism, which promote the science and scientific inventions, discoveries and approaches, interpretation of the terms associated with the science and the like. Another important type of journalism is cyber journalism, online journalism or web journalism. Now all the people are familiar with these terms. If we want to inform something to the public automatically, by Twitter account we can manage it. There is no need to wait for the next day for a print media. Even the national leaders, political leaders also make use of these kind of opportunities. It is associated with cyber law. It is not easy to manage a communication through the cyber journalism. Some instructions there you have to follow as per the cyber law. Then arts journalism, which promote the arts. Then sports journalism, which promote the sports. Then entertainment journalism. Then we are having lifestyle journalism. Lifestyle, gardening, cooking and the like. Lifestyle magazines also we have. Then advocacy journalism. Basically, we concentrate to promote a particular idea which will be positive to a particular person or a particular organization. Similarly, there we advocate to convince the people. That is advocacy journalism. Then tabloid journalism. Tabloid newspaper is different from tabloid journalism. Tabloid journalism is also a special kind of journalism. Then the yellow journalism. It is a negative thing. And especially there we concentrate on sensationalism. Here the concerned people will concentrate to increase a raise in the circulation figures, not on information. The gossips or rumors they will concentrate. The paparazzi is a term associated with this kind of thing. Those who follow the celebrities. Even celebrity journalism itself is a special kind of journalism which will highlight some celebrities. Then embedded journalism, which is related with the military operations in Iraq issue. Usually this embedded journalism came into more popular. Embedded journalism, that means reporting from the war front. Some of them will get the opportunity to report as per within some conditions. Automatically, he or she has to provide the information to some other people. Another one is parachute journalism. Parachute we know, sending a reporter to an indifferent area to report something or do some assignment. From familiar place he starts, but some unfamiliar place he reports. Incidents related to some unfamiliar places. Automatically he will maintain some relationship with the people, those who belongs to that particular area, and he automatically complete his or her task. It is parachute journalism. Lot of specialization are there. This is about the specialization or the different type of journalism. And I conclude here by put forward a request before you to subscribe this channel to get more and more information regarding the field of journalism, and you are also free to comment for clarification and to clarify any kind of doubt. Okay, thank you.